Hello everyone, I'm Wilson from Million Pack. I'm the founder of Million Pack. Now my workers is loading the PE-coated products. Look, this the paper is packaging by the Polybike. It's a very good packaging, and also have a label. On the label there is a Ningbo Manadu manufacturer company. This is one of a member of a factory, and also have a name. Product's name is PE coated, and the quality certificate, and the gram is 270, and with 18 GSM, and there with the width and the height, and also the weight. Each roll is 825 kilo. For extra explain, every month we produce 2,000 ton PE coated, PLA coated, or the water-based paper roll, and 60% we use by ourselves, use our own manufacturer members, and another 40% we sell others. We are the professional for the PE coated production manufacturer. And now we are selling the PE-coated paper to all over the world, also sell to the domestic market. Thank you.